went to Anime Expo. Well, for one day. Now, what I mean by kinda is usually when you go to Anime Expo, you go for all 4 days, but I just went for one. And I want to tell you why. Anime Expo is the biggest convention in North America, with over 100,000 people attending for the amazing 4th of July event. Now, usually when I went from 2016 to 2018, it wasn't as busy is the best way that I can say, for you not to have fun. But this year, because they were coming back from the pandemic, and on top of that it was the 30th anniversary of Anime Expo, it was a lot going on all at once. I had a hard time finding a ticket for one. Usually day passes where you have Friday, Saturday usually sells out, but Sunday and Monday are pretty good to like buy up until like the day before you need to go. But apparently this year everything sold out and I was having a hard time finding a ticket. Luckily, one of the people that I met legit was so awesome. They were leaving Saturday night. They said, I can give you your ticket. You just gotta get it Saturday so you can go. I mean, not Saturday, excuse me. Scratch that. Sunday night. I got to go on Monday, which was amazing. And it got me really thinking about how I wanted to place this video and what I wanted to say. And all honesty, I realized that I don't like going to conventions unless I'm cosplaying. Now, mind you, I did cosplay on Monday. I got a chance to do Gone from Hunter x Hunter like I always do, which is my go-to cosplay when I don't feel like making one. Everybody asked for pictures and everything, and it was pretty cool, and I got the, chance to have fun. But I just realized with all the chaotic stuff that was going on, I'm just not a fan of conventions. The shopping, I tell people I like the shopping, but when you can get most of your stuff online, there's no like super exclusive things, there's no point in actually shopping. Now, one thing I will say is when I go there, I look for brands that I literally never heard of. Like this one brand, they're from Canada. You guys will probably see pictures of me in it later. That's all I'm gonna say. That was pretty cool, but other than that, I really don't buy stuff. This year, I will admit that it feels good to be a One Piece fan. If you know pre-pandemic, a lot of people didn't really care about One Piece in North America, but I feel like because of the pandemic, a lot of people have sat down and actually got a chance to watch One Piece, and now it's like super popular in the US, and it makes me so happy. They had huge blow up figurines of Luffy, and then they had the Thousand Sunny in one of the sections of the con, which was so amazing. So many cool One Piece cosplays were going around, and then plus they did the One Piece Red premiere that you had to pay $80 to even go see it, which I'm like, I'm not paying $80 to go see a movie. I'm gonna just wait for it to come out and pay my still expensive $20 to go see it in the movie. Like, I'm not doing that. But other than that, I got to see friends that I haven't seen in a long time. I got to see friends that it was their first time actually being at Anime Expo, which was really cool. And I got to see so many amazing cosplays. Like, it was so much fun. Okay, this is future Michelle, or Tetapoodle, whatever you call me. I don't know. I did want to say another funny thing did happen, but I did not put it in the video. When I went to go into the exhibit hall, I did get an airdrop photo, and I was very scared to open it because I'm like, who's dropping airdrop photos? My coworker who also went with his girlfriend was like, just open it. Now, if you guys didn't know, it was a situation on an airplane where a guy sent some airdrop photos to like the entire plane, including children, of his nudes, and it was like very disturbing. So I got scared that it was going to be the same thing, but I wanted this in this video because it was the funniest thing that had happened. I'm going to show you what was sent to me. Like, the suspense was just crazy, and this is what was sent. I just wanted to put that in the video just so you guys know how funny AX was, literally, for just that one day, that one Monday. All right, back to the video. My special moment was definitely the rave, I would say. That was very interesting to, first get my ticket, and then all of a sudden I'm at a rave and I was just like, I don't know what's going on. And then apparently Hypeland had a Hypeland Fest, which was pretty cool. Now, things that I do not like about Anime Expo this year, the lines. There have always been lines. There's always been lines at Anime Expo. I am not saying that. But when you have a line for literally everything, every single stand had a line. On a Monday, I went Monday, which is supposed to be the slowest day. That to me, it turned me off with Anime Expo. It got me thinking, do I still want to go to this con, even though it's like one of my favorite conventions? I will admit that this year, as far as like the badge check-ins and stuff, really good and efficient. I like that. I like how they do it. It prevents people from like sneaking in and out. I think that was pretty cool. But with anime getting so popular the way that it is, it really has me contemplating about conventions in general, especially the bigger ones. The older that I get, the more I realize that the smaller conventions are so much more intimate. I think from now on, I'm probably gonna stick to doing medium to small size cons. I think anime is just getting so popular to the point that it's turning me off of conventions. And maybe it's just not for me because my hype was around 2016. I guess. I don't know. This video just turned to me just yapping, and I kind of just wanted to talk about like my experience this week. I loved it. I hated it. I care for it. Just going to the convention in one day. I think the best part was definitely being able to see my friends that I haven't seen in a long time, and then seeing the really cool cosplays, especially the younger crowd that are like, you can just tell they're so into anime and they're just so excited about cosplay. And it was a lot of people's first con, so they like went all out, and that kind of stuff just made me feel super special. Now, one thing I will say is my mama bear definitely kicked in a couple of times, especially with the people that have been there for the first time. They didn't know how to maneuver, you know, the convention, especially when it comes to big conventions. I'm like, you know, track star when it comes to the crowds. I had to teach them a little thing I wanted to about being politely aggressive when it comes to crowds. Instead of just allowing people to dictate the way that you move in a crowd, you have to move like a snake kind of thing. So I thought that was really cool too. This video, I don't know what I'm doing with this video. I really just wanted to record like everything that I wanted to say. My ADHD is kicking in. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to talk about everything because this is all I can think about at the top of my head. Oh my gosh. My editor's going to be like, what was the purpose of this video? I'm just gonna be like, I don't know. I just wanted to have a video about Anime Expo up. Anyway, I think that for anybody that is just interested in Anime Expo that has never been, be prepared. It's a huge con. It's if you ever been to San Diego Comic-Con or any other like huge con, it is like that, much bigger. Be prepared for that. If you are a type of person that has anxiety or you just can't be around big crowds because you might have a panic attack, I do not suggest going to Anime Expo. But if you do, if you're like, I really want to go, Poodle, but I really want to go, like I just have to see this, like I have to go, I would definitely suggest going on Monday, which is the least busiest. That'll help you out at least as far as space is concerned, because Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday is just horrible, especially Saturday. You don't want to do that. But that's all I have to say about this video. Shout out to everybody that went to Anime Expo. I hope you guys had an amazing time. If you come back next year, you will see me, and I will attempt to get a 4-day badge because I really do want to cosplay this one cosplay, but I want to do it at Anime Expo. So I think I'm going to end up going next year. That's all I have to say. I see you guys in the next one, and I don't know why I made this video, but I'm kind of glad that I did, and I'll talk to you later, and bye.